Come on. Sally, come on. Don't want to go too fast. I'm just going to take my time and observe my surroundings. Before I proceed, I must know where I'm headed. Nope, not going. Well, come on, Sally. Come on. I don't pay any attention to anything except myself. My ears are so big that I don't even hear out of them. Right now, as you can see, I am observing the surroundings, and I have decided to go back to my bed. It's not worth it. Now I'm going to go back to my bed and screw off, Will. Sally, I could really care less if you come out here and shit or not. Fine. Be that way. She has now decided not to come out here and take a shit, so I must proceed and do what I always have to do, and that is pick up the entire bed, like so, and carry her as she's snorting